Hello, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable your passenger's airbag. This is really important if you're going to use child seat where the child is not looking to the front side of the car. It is looking at the rear side of the car. Then it's really important to switch this airbag back off. Okay, where there is the area where we can perform this. This is the passenger's airbag on and off switch. We can control this switch by using our keys. For this we use our manual key, not the automatic key. Okay, first step is how we can check what's going on with the passenger's airbag. If the passenger's airbag is on, you will see this LED is switched off after you take the ignition, and approximately 2 or 3 seconds it will switch off. That means the airbag is enabled. Okay, now we have to disable it. So place the passenger's airbag onto the off position by using your remote key, the manual key. So here we are, now it is switched off. To control this, we perform the same. We will make the ignition on, and then we have to check the light, and the light will not switch off, you will see. This is really important if your child is sitting on the passenger side and looking to the back side of the car. It is really important because in a case of emergency, if there is a crash, the airbags will make their job. And if there is an obstacle, like the chair of your kid's passenger's chair, it is not good for the kid. So you have to switch it off. And here you can see the LED information, passenger's airbag is off, is still on while you are make the ignition on. So this is an important thing to perform if your seat is placed on the passenger side. To disable this function, we make it in the opposite side, in the opposite way. If you remove the passenger's seat, not the passenger seat, the kid's passenger seat, which is looking to the backside of the car, you have to switch on the airbag system. This is important too, because if a standard adult is sitting on the passenger side and the airbag is still off, that's not good for him. Really not good, because the airbag will not make his job while we have an accident. So after you removed the kid's chair out of your car from the passenger side, you have to switch the passenger's airbag on and check this. Here we are, ignition on and passenger's airbag LED is off. That means now the airbag is continue working again. That's important. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.